Welcome to ExpressIRSForms, your one-stop site for all of your IRS information return e-filing needs. We offer federal and state e-filing for multiple 1099 forms, W-2 forms, and their corrections. But on our radar today are the new Affordable Care Act returns, which are required to be filed with the 2015 tax year. When the Affordable Care Act was passed, tax legislature changed to accommodate the new health care coverage requirements. To ensure that all Americans have at least the minimum essential health care coverage, certain insurance providers and employers have to report the coverage offered when they file their income tax returns each year, according to the IRS Internal Revenue Code Section 6055 and 6056. According to these sections, insurance companies or self-insured plan sponsors must now file the Form 1094B and 1095B each year, and applicable large employers must file Forms 1094C and 1095C. The 1094 forms are transmittal forms, while the 1095 forms contain all of the coverage information for each recipient or employee. In addition to being filed with the IRS, a copy of each 1095 form must go to the listed recipient or employee, similar to other information returns like the W-2s or 1099s. Before you can file your ACA information returns, you'll need the following information: a total count of your employees, including a total count of your full-time employees, each employee's social security number, name, address, and their share of the monthly premium, information about healthcare coverage you offered, the months in which each employee was enrolled, information about safe harbor affordability, and information about self-insured covered individuals within your plan. IRS Forms 1095 must be provided to your recipients or employees by March 31st, the year following the calendar year in which you are filing. If you're paper filing 1094 and 1095 forms with the IRS, they need to be filed by the last day of May. However, if you're e-filing, these forms aren't due until June 30th. The IRS expects mistakes to be made on ACA information returns this year, which is why for 2015 only, they won't impose penalties for reporting incorrect or impartial information if you can prove that you made an effort to file these forms correctly and on time. But if you use ExpressIRSForms to e-file, you won't have to worry about all that. Whether you're filing a 1099, W-2 correction, or an ACA form, our simplified e-filing process, complete with step-by-step guidance and built-in error checks, makes obvious filing errors virtually impossible. And if you have any questions along the way, our top-of-the-line support team based in Rock Hill, South Carolina is here to help. Just give us a call Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. at 704-839-2270, or send us an email 24/7 at support@expressirsforms.com.